Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are an action horror movie lover, then Train to Busan is a must-watch movie. If you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, enable the bell icon next to it, and share the video with everyone. Now let's go to the cinema. Train to Busan is a 2016 South Korean action horror film directed by Yoon Sang-ho, written by Park Joo-suk, and starring Gong Yoo, Yoon Yoo-mi, Ma Dong-seok, Kim Soo-eun, Choi Woo-shik, An So-hee, and Kim Yoo-sung. The film mostly takes place on a KTX from Seoul to Busan as a zombie apocalypse suddenly breaks out in the country and threatens the safety of the passengers. The film premiered in the midnight screenings section of the 2016 Cannes Film Festival on the 13th of May. On the 7th of August, the film set a record as the first Korean film of 2016 to break the audience record of over 10 million theatergoers. Fund manager Seok-woo is a cynical workaholic and a divorced father. His estranged daughter Soo-in wants to spend her birthday with her mother Na-young in Busan. Seok-woo sees a video of Soo-in attempting to sing Aloha-o at her singing recital and succumbing to stage fright as a result of his absence. Overcome with guilt, he decides to grant Soo-in's birthday wish. The next day, they board the KTX 101 at Seoul Station, en route to Busan. Other passengers include blue-collar worker Sang Hwa and his pregnant wife Seong Kyung, COO Yeon-suk, a high school baseball team including player Yong-guk and his cheerleader girlfriend Jin-hee, elderly sisters In Gil and Yong-gil, and a traumatized homeless stowaway hiding in the bathroom. Before the train departs, an ill woman runs onto the train unnoticed. She turns into a zombie and attacks a train attendant, who also turns. The infection spreads rapidly throughout the train. The group escapes to another car and locks the doors. Internet reports and phone calls make it known that an epidemic is spreading southward across the country. When the train stops at Daejeong Station, the survivors find the city overrun by zombies and hastily retreat to the train, splitting up into different train cars in the ensuing chaos. Seok-woo learns by phone that his company is indirectly responsible for the outbreak. The military establishes a quarantine zone near Busan, to which the conductor sets a course. Seok-woo, Sang Hwa and Yong-guk, who have become separated from their loved ones, fight their way to where Soo-in and Seong Kyung are hiding with In Gil and the homeless man. Once regrouped, they struggle through the zombie horde to the front train car, where the rest of the passengers are sheltered. At the prompting of Yeon-suk and train attendant Ki-chul, the passengers prevent the survivors from entering, fearing that they are infected. Sang Hwa sacrifices himself to give the others time to force open the door and enter the car, but In Gil is killed. Yeon-suk, Ki-chul and the passengers demand that the survivors isolate themselves in the front vestibule. However, Yong-gil, disgusted at the passengers and despairing from the loss of her sister, deliberately opens the other door and allows the zombies to enter and kill the rest of the car's passengers. Yeon-suk and Ki-chul escape by hiding in the bathroom. A blocked track at the East Daegu station forces the survivors to stop and search for another train. Yeon-suk escapes after pushing Ki-chul into the zombies. A flaming locomotive derails, separating the group and trapping Seok-woo, Soo-in, Seong Kyung and the homeless man underneath a carriage filled with zombies. Meanwhile, Yeon-suk runs into Jin-hee and Yong-guk, pushing the former into a zombie in his attempts to escape. Heartbroken, Yong-guk stays with Jin-hee until she turns and kills him. The conductor starts a locomotive on another track but is also thrown to the zombies while trying to save an injured Yeon-suk. Seok-woo finds a way out from under the carriage, but the escape route is shortly afterward blocked by falling debris. The homeless man sacrifices himself to buy time for Seok-woo to clear the debris, and he, Soo-in and Seong Kyung manage to escape onto the new locomotive. After fighting off zombies hanging onto the locomotive, they encounter Yeon-suk, who is on the verge of turning into a zombie and is begging for help. Seok-woo manages to throw him off but is bitten. He puts Soo-in and Seong Kyung inside the engine room, teaches the latter how to operate the train, and says goodbye to the former. In his final moments before he turns, he reminisces the moment of Soo-an's birth, before throwing himself off the locomotive. Due to another train blockage, Soo-an and Seong-kyung are forced to stop the train at a tunnel just prior to Busan. The two exit the train and continue following the tracks on foot through the tunnel. Snipers stationed on the other side of the tunnel spot them, and prepare to shoot at them, believing them to be zombies, but they stand down when they hear Soo-an singing, Aloha, Oe, in tribute to her late father.
If you are watching this video for the first time, then subscribe to the channel, enable the bell icon next to it. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you and greetings.